Hey all, welcome back to Indian State Food series on my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Today we are making a traditional Maharashtrian recipe called Puran Poli. It is mostly prepared during festivals. Let's start. First, take 1 cup of chana dal. Wash and soak it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, pressure cook the dal. Add half a cup of water. Close the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. Take 1 cup of jaggery, finely grated or crushed. Meanwhile, we have to make flour dough. Take 2 cup of refined flour, 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can use oil too. Add pinch of salt and mix it well. Add lukewarm water and knead the dough softly, same as required to chapatis. Cover it and keep the dough aside for 10 minutes. Now back to chana dal. As you see in the video, dal cooked properly and get mashed. Pour it in a pan, add jaggery, cook until jaggery dissolved. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and stir it continuously. Mix it well. As you seen in the video, mixture start becoming thicker. Stuffing has turned thicker as you seen in the video. It's ready. Turn off the flame and let the stuffing cool down completely. Transfer the stuffing to another bowl so that it cool down quickly. The flour dough is ready as well. Knead the dough again. Make small lumps from the dough, equal size. Cover the dough to prevent from drying. Stuffing also cool down completely. Make same size portions as flour dough. Take one dough, apply some ghee and roll out to small rotis. Instead of ghee, you can use oil dough. Now place the stuffing ball in the center. Lift from all the sides and close the stuffing as you seen in the video. Flatten it using your fingertips. Roll it. As you seen in the video, roll Puran Poli very thin. Make sure it does not get break out. Heat the pan and place it on the hot tawa. Spread some ghee and roast it well. Likewise, prepare rest of the Puran Poli. Tasty and delicious Puran Polis are ready. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe to Reehatkitchen and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.